Yeah, mate. Can we? Yep. I've got to put my teeth back in, so...
That's right.
Yeah. Good to see you, but... Just walk, don't walk to the centre because it's real slippery.
What's the matter?
We'll wait till we get up there and see if it's showing. I've got a little rabbit too, so don't let it scare you.
Rabbit?
Yeah.
That's fine.
So, which job are you here exactly for? There's several logs. Is it the dishwasher or the hot water?
Hot water.
Okay, yep.
Actually, what's wrong with the hot water? My mate came today.
This one here.
What did he say?
I don't know. He said nothing. I'm not a plumber. I don't know what's going on.
What's the actual issue?
You're a plumber, right?
Yeah, what's the issue with it? What's the issue with it, love?
You're a plumber, right?
Yeah, what's the problem?
You can't hear that?
This is the problem.
You can't hear that?
Okay, that's the problem. I didn't know what the issue was.
I'll put my teeth in and I'll be able to talk, man. The intake valve apparently needs replacing. Ah, fuck. Where's my teeth? Where is my teeth? Yeah. That's good. Okay. That's it, what is it?
That ain't replacing.
Yep.
Can you mind if you turn the water off for it?
It means I have no hot water.
You won't be without hot water till tomorrow.
Yeah, means, yeah,
I'll come in tomorrow with it and I'll put it on for you.
you'll come tomorrow and put it on for me, yeah?
Correct.
So just turn it on when I want to shower or something, or...
Yeah, you can.
Actually, there's probably enough hot water in there for a couple of showers, right?
Mate, if you can see that valve down the bottom, I'm too big for it. I like that valve down the bottom, the blue one. If you just go to the bottom left, flick it down. Flick that valve down, and then it'll shut off the water supply to the hot water service.
I'm trying to do that. Do you know how crazy that should be? 30 showers, that should be crazy, but 30 showers. Alright, so that's off. And, yeah, so I should have enough hot water in there for the night.
Yes, correct.
Alright.
I'll be here 4:30 tomorrow, okay?
4:30 tomorrow evening.
4:30 tomorrow, I'll be here.
Okay.
Okay,
Do you want to look at the other one when you hit tomorrow?
Yeah, one tomorrow.
Do you want to have a look now so you know what to bring?
Correct. Bring it in now.
Okay, so it's got a bit of backstory just so you know. Before I moved in, this was doing this apparently. So it's been happening for a long time. When I go to use this is how I discovered it. I go to use this, it stops working. And the barber from downstairs goes, "Oi, it's flooding in my house, it's flooding in my business. He'll be cutting the hair, it's dripping on the head." So I associated that over the last 6 months, that when that packs up, it's flooding. Just look at that. Now my dad always said keep it clean so you know where a leak's happening. So you know, look at that. That's
Leak?
it. Yeah, well, put him out down there. As I said, I keep it clean, so. Look how much water comes. This time I've left it there so you can see.
I'm bringing you waste for you. Your waste, alright, so I'll do the waste for you. Alright, Dad, leave it to me.
Thank you.
Alright, leave it to me.
Tracy, thank you very much.
Nice to meet you. Leave it to me, okay?
Alright.
Thank you.
There you go. There you go. That's alright. There you go. Ta-da! It's all over. I'll let you out. You want a drink or anything? You're right. Okay. Oh my God.